Hi guys, how are you today? So I know I've been gone for like the last 2 weeks on the channel and I am so freaking sorry guys. I'm sincerely sorry from the bottom of my heart. I've just been MIA. A lot of things have been going down behind the scenes and I really don't want to get into it and waste too much of your time. So we're just gonna get back into it. We're gonna jump back into it like Philip DeFranco and get into a massive haul video. So I've picked up a ton of stuff recently and I'm back and I'm excited to be making content because I missed making content so much. And what's up, Misty? Misty's here. She wants to say hi. Oh, you got a shoe? You got a shoe. Oh. This monster has been stealing so many of my shoes lately, but Misty's back too, just in this video for this week though. Misty, how you feeling? You good? You good? All right, go. Be gone, thought. Before my massive like break where I just disappeared without letting you guys know, I was running 2 giveaways. So I want to let you guys know the giveaway winners for those prizes. So the very first prize was over on my second channel, SneakerTalk 365, and we gave away a pair of these right here, the Nike Roshi 1 Calypso colorway. And the giveaway prize winner is on screen right now. So congratulations to you. Slide into my DMs on @SneakerTalk365 on Instagram to claim your prize. With that said, the other giveaway prize that we were giving away on the channel were these right here, the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Statics. Yes, these brand new. The giveaway for this was basically a top 10 series giveaway. So I did a bunch of top 10 videos. You guys had to watch and comment and like the videos, and that's how you got entered. So the winner for the top 10 Yeezy giveaway is on screen right now. Congratulations to you. And I also have a couple more pairs of Yeezys to give away or sell for retail, so stay tuned to the channel. A couple more Yeezy giveaways on the way. We're gonna start off today with a jacket that I was sent over by the homies over at Quality. I think they're having a big sale right now, and if you use my code ST20 you get an extra 20% off their website. So Quality, I wear their pants all the time, and they hooked it up with this amazing jacket, this camouflage jacket. I don't know if you guys can see it because it is camouflage, but this is the jacket right here, a green woodland camouflage. The quality on it is really nice, and it's super soft too because the inside is this like furry material. Not that kind of furry, okay? Not that kind of furry. And it's the jacket I've been wearing a bunch recently. Here's some on-body photos of me wearing it. Now onto the sneaker portion of today's haul video. One of them might be the worst Nike sneaker of the year, and yes, I bought it. Yes, I probably plan to sell it. I probably won't be able to return it to the store because I don't think they do refunds, and if they do, I don't want to be that guy, so I'll probably sell it to one of you guys for retail or something like that. But we got 2 other sneakers that I was sent over that I want to show you guys before the final shoe, and we're also giving away one of these sneakers as well, so stick around to the very end of the video. First up, we have a pickup from the homies over at Asics. So Asics sent over this box right here, and the shoes inside really give me a sort of like nostalgic kind of feel. I know that sounds really weird when you're talking about a pair of Asics, but it's a sort of shoe that resembles a certain era of my life. So let's get into the shoe. This is the Asics Gel DS Trainer 24. Let's quickly get into this, and bam, just like that, here they are. These are loud. These are bold, man. If you see someone in the gym or someone in your neighborhood wearing these on their feet, they're gonna break your neck. These are definitely a neck breaker. Blue green Gel 24 Trainer by Asics, and this is the kind of shoe that really appealed to me back when I was in junior high. This is a shoe, the brand Asics is like what I wore a lot when it came to my running shoes, because I only had like 1 or 2 pairs of shoes per year, and I had to make sure that they performed for my cross country running and for gym class. So I wore Asics a lot in junior high. So with that said, let me show you guys what these sneakers look like on feet with a photo for my Instagram at SneakerTalkCA. I made an oopsie. There's not 3 pairs of shoes I'm showing you guys today. There's actually 4 pairs of sneakers. So let's get into the second pair. The second pair came over from the good folks over at Foot Locker Canada. Foot Locker Canada, thank you guys. They sent over some Converse, and I think Just Dawn was the one who designed these sneakers. I'm not entirely sure. The name of this is, I can't even see the right name, but the colorway says White Rapid Teal Court Purple. So this is the box right here, brand new Converse release. You might have seen these at Foot Locker, and I'm pretty sure they made a few different other colorways. But damn, these are loud. These my compadres are a very loud shoe. This is a shoe right here that I feel like the guys over at Party Rock or LMFAO, they would have loved to wear these shoes. These are crazy, man. You got the all white leather upper. You got hits of these like teal colors on the side with the Converse logo. We got the Cons branding on the side, Cons branding on the tongue. Really gives that OG retro vibe. This really reminds me of like moon boots and like those really high top outrageous sneakers you'd wear way back in like just back in time, you know, a time when I was still hardly walking. But yeah, these right here are insane. We got this like neon green here on the ankle with the purple, and it feels really soft and luxurious on the inside right here. This purple feels so good. We also have this sort of like zebra pattern on the side with this hit of teal on the back. Now these shoes, they are, whoa, the insole too. Check out this insole. I can't get it out, but hopefully you guys can sort of see the pattern. There's like this weird pattern, zebra pattern you could say, for the insole for these Converse. They also included some shoelaces, which you can't find right now, but they were like a zebra shoelace pattern, so you can match the zebra pattern on the side with the zebra laces. Pretty crazy. I'll throw up a picture on screen right now if I can find a photo with them, but doing the zebra laces on these shoes would just be a little bit too much for me. So with that said, let me show you guys what these look like on feet, and I will be right back. So next up, we have a pair of New Balance sneakers from the people over at Foot Locker as well. They sent these too, and the homies over at Champs also sent over a pair. So Champs and Foot Locker, same parent company. There must have been some miscommunication, but they sent over like the same package twice, and the packages came with identical everything, including the notes that they provided as well. Like here's the front of the notes, and then here's the part where you read it. Same exact text and everything, but one says Champ Sports, the other is Foot Locker Canada. And let me read it to you guys real quick. It says, built for the independents, the 997H fuses two iconic New Balance models, the 997 and the 998, worn by individuals with a nod to heritage and style from the 90s. The redesigned 997H brings bold design to life in a new modern draw. So thank you, Champs and Foot Locker. And with that said, these are one of the shoes I will be giving away for free to one of you guys today, because I obviously do not need two pairs of the same shoe. And on top of that, for this giveaway, we're not just going to be giving away the shoes, I'm also going to be giving away all of this stuff too. Foot Locker and Champs blessed us with some extra iron-on patches. So if you have a jacket or if you have a backpack, you want to iron these New Balance patches on, you will be getting one set, because I'm obviously gonna be keeping one for myself. So I'll give you guys this brand new sealed one. So it has a gray colorway, a pink colorway, and then a blue and pink colorway. The other thing they also sent over was like this little promotional pamphlet kind of thing, New Balance 997. So can I open it up and show you? Oh wow, it's like a catalog, basically showing a bunch of previous 997 New Balance models on the side there. Oh wow, it's not just a catalog, it's also a poster. Oh my god, that's so cool. That's cool. So this is the one side of the poster right here. So you'll be getting this massive poster, and on the other side, if you're a big New Balance fan, you're gonna mess with this too. Damn, check that out. All that New Balance action going on right there. Yes. If you guys want to win this New Balance prize pack giveaway brought to you by Foot Locker or Champs, since they both sent over the same package, then stick around to the end of the video for the comment question of the day. With that said, let's get to the final extra giveaway prize that I have for you guys. They also gave a book, a New Balance 997 book. This right here, I got two of them, of course, so one of them will be for my pleasure, and then the others will be for you guys. So this is a collaboration with Sneaker Freaker as well. Sneaker Freaker X New Balance 997. Really nice book. The print on it, the cover of it's really nice. If you want to learn about the New Balance 997, it's basically a crash course, a little textbook on it, which is really cool. We got some more archival photos and just more information about the 997 997. So if you are a sneaker junkie like me, a sneaker freak like me, as you could say, because it's a collab with Sneaker Freaker, then you'll probably love a nice sneaker book. I love sneaker books, and this is like the perfect time because I've actually been spending a lot of money on sneaker books. So to get one for free, I appreciate. So thank you, Foot Locker and Champs, and that means one of you guys will also get to enjoy the pleasures of getting this book. I don't know if these are for sale or if they're just a special like promo thing from media. So if you get this, you might be a very, very lucky person. Let's get to the sneakers for the giveaway and the shoes that they sent me. And I really, really like these. I don't have any New Balance 997s or 998s in my collection, so this will be my very first New Balance lifestyle sneaker. This is the New Balance 997H. And you can call this the OG colorway. It has a white leather upper. We got some white synthetic mesh here on the side. We got some suede on the back. So I like the variety of materials that they got going on. We got hits of pink here, and there's a blue. I really like the way this pink and blue contrast. This is gonna be a killer spring sneaker when it comes to all the snow melting in Canada. Thank you, Foot Locker and Champs. Here's just a little up close 360 detail for you guys. Dang, these are nice. So thank you again, I really appreciate it. And let me throw these off beat and get on to the next sneaker. All right, so now on to the final sneaker for today's haul video. It's the one sneaker I actually bought and I have no intentions on keeping it. They're a pair of Nike Air Max sneakers. Now I love Air Max sneakers for the most part. Nike pretty much nails it on most of their releases. However, this particular pair made me cringe. It made my heart drop. It made me go, why? Why, Nike? Why? So to start off, I bought this from the sneaker store Exclusivity, and I guess they might know who I am, or they included this just randomly, but they sent over a bonus t-shirt, a free little t-shirt as well with the sneakers I bought. So this one says Status right here. It's like their in-house brand. It's printed on Champion, which is cool, and it's not a print, it's actually like embroidered in. And so yeah, they sent over a green shirt, size medium, and this came from the Queen Street store, which I actually stopped by in a couple of weeks ago. So they might have remembered me from that time I was there. So pretty cool. They guessed my size correctly, and I appreciate the free shirt, so I'll definitely get some wear out of this. Now let's get to the shoes. The shoes are in a massive box. The box is like like it's so unnecessary how big this box is. But this is the Air Max 720 right here. Or is it? I'm kidding. This is not the Air Max 720. This is the Nike Air More Uptempo 720. Retail price, 260 Canadian dollars. That hurt my wallet. I don't like these sneakers enough to keep them for that price. So let's get into it. Oof. Here we have it, guys. Here we have it. The Nike Air Max 720. Oh, to me, they really butchered a classic on this one. I'm not feeling these at all. I want to like them, especially after having them in my hands right now. But honestly, guys, I just can't get with it. I can't get with it, man. I can't do it. So on the one side, it says Air, so like on the inside panel of the shoe, and on the outside panel, it says Max. Now this is, of course, inspired by the Air More Uptempo, a shoe which I have a real version of in the other room, but it basically looks like this. This is a fake version of it I have. And it has that chunky outsole with the air units right there. And this opts for instead Air Max 720 sole. Now the Air Max 720 is a new sneaker Nike is putting out this year. They have a few more colorways releasing very soon. I know some of the earlier colorways have already sold out. I'm still on the fence about them right now. I have mixed opinions about them. But to butcher a classic like the Air More Uptempo, I thought this was like an early April Fool's joke, okay? I was like, no, they can't be serious. This has to be like a troll, a prank or something. But then I saw that they were officially releasing and I was like, oh my gosh.
Damn, Nike.
I can't. I'm pretty sure the Max and Air on the side is a reflective material just based off of the way it's like sort of the light's hitting it and it's shining and glimmering a little bit. Now let's get to the comment question of the day, which is how you can enter the giveaway for the New Balance sneakers I showed you guys earlier. What are your thoughts on the Air More Uptempo Air Max 720? 20. Are these trash? Are these fire? What do you guys think about this shoe? I'm hoping they don't do any other weird kind of fusions like this. Not too crazy about this particular shoe. With that said, that's today's video. The worst Nike sneaker of 2019. We'll see. We'll find out, but this is probably up there.
Definitely up there.